There's something very special about allowing yourself to have a slow Sunday, having no urgency, nowhere to rush to, just letting the day unfold naturally. I know this isn't always possible, but it's so wonderful to take those moments when we can. Sometimes I like to start the day by thinking about what to cook. I usually try to cook a large meal on Sunday to help us through the start of the week by basically meal prepping. I didn't want anything too complicated today, just something really simple and comforting. I have a lot of veg to use up in our fridge, so I'm thinking some sort of pasta dish is always good for that. And I think I'll probably use the wood burning stove today because it's on and I like to make the most of the heat when it's ready. I have always loved houseplants. I think that they just bring so much life and character to a space. Even one or two can totally change how a room feels. And especially at this time of year when everything outside is just starting to wake up, I feel like it's really nice for your inside to reflect that too. Looking after plants is such a small, grounding thing to do, and it's kind of like a bit of meditation for me when I'm looking after plants or when I'm gardening. I think it's that contact with nature that's just so essential and natural to us. Let me know in the comments, what are your favourite houseplants? I have to say, I do love rubber plants because of their big glossy leaves, and I love prayer plants, even though they're probably not the most beginner-friendly plant. I've always loved a real fire in a house. I always wanted one as a kid. I remember when we'd go on holidays to Wales or to France and there'd be a real fire. I'd always want to light it no matter the time of the year. I think it's just, I don't know, there's just something so comforting about a fire. So now as an adult to have achieved one of those little childhood dreams is kind of magical for me. I've actually been trying out these logs recently from Woodlets. This is my first time working with a brand, so I wanted to make sure it was something I genuinely use and something that I enjoy and is useful. What I really like about these is how simple they are to use. They burn really cleanly and they give off a really steady heat. And I have to say, they are hot. They give off a lot of heat. It's incredible, genuinely, how much more heat they give off than just your standard log. But what I liked about them was that they're made here in the UK and they're actually made from leftover materials from sawmills, which would otherwise just go to waste. Our village doesn't have gas and our house doesn't have an oil tank, so we are totally at the mercy of electric, which is still pretty expensive here in the UK. So it feels like a much more sustainable way of heating our home. Woodlets also contribute to planting trees every year, which I think is really, really important. I think that whatever we take away from nature, we absolutely must give back. So that was something that was really important to me. If you do have a log burner and you're looking for something easy and reliable, I definitely recommend it. I'll leave everything linked down below for you if you want to have a look, and I think there's a small 10% discount code as well for you to try. But most of all, it just makes chilly days feel even better when you've got a roaring fire on. Bookshops like this make me feel like I'm stepping back in time. They're so quiet and calming in the best way possible. I love not knowing what I'll find when I come into places like this. It's honestly like the adult version of a treasure hunt. I found all of these amazing old prints that were from, I think, like old posters and newspapers and old pieces of artwork. So I did grab a few. I'm planning on making a gallery wall on our landing and stairs, so stay tuned for that. But it is like a treasure hunt, and old books feel like they carry stories beyond what is written inside them. There's something so calming about being surrounded by books and stories and information and knowledge. There's no noise and no rush. Do you guys enjoy wandering around bookstores too? Is it just me who finds them really, really comforting? Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. Despite flicking through the cookbook earlier, I've decided I want to keep dinner really, really simple. Something warm and comforting, but still quite fresh. As I said, I've got lots of stuff I want to use up, and this is the perfect recipe for that. I think simple recipes are often the ones you come back to the most. This is the kind of meal that doesn't take much effort, but is really filling and satisfying and healthy too. I'm sure a lot of you have seen the viral feta pasta recipe, and that's kind of what I'm doing here, but I'm just adding loads and loads of extra veggies in there. So I'm adding some cherry tomatoes, some red onion, spinach, and I'm also adding in some pancetta as well. And you just pop all of this into a tray, and then you put the feta in the middle of it and you bake it for about 40 minutes, and it is so, so delicious. I don't know about you, but I feel like when it gets to this time of year, my kind of cooking style changes. I tend to move away from the big roast dinners and the soups and the stews, and I like to make slightly lighter meals with using lots more fresh and seasonal ingredients. I don't know, I feel like there's definitely something to be said for seasonal cooking and the way that your preferences are, and your palate definitely changes as the seasons change as well. It's kind of less heavy food, more fresh food, which is just so nice. I'm really, really looking forward to, fingers crossed, being able to go to my allotment and pick my own tomatoes and my own lettuces and make a lovely summer salad out of them. I'm really, really manifesting and looking forward to that. It feels like we're right on the edge of the seasons properly changing now, and the last of winter is absolutely fading. I can't believe the clocks go forward next week and Easter is just around the corner. I'm really enjoying the lightness. But that is everything for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Stay happy and blessed be.